CE Physics 2011, question 8. So we have two liquids, X and Y, heated by two different heaters, so power are different. So the energy supply, the liquid's mass and temperature rises are recorded in the table. We have to decide whether the following statements is or are correct. Statement 1, the heat capacity, big C, of X is larger than that of Y. So when we consider the heat capacity, we will start with this equation, Q equals C delta T. So now we are talking about heat capacity, so let's make the heat capacity the subject. It will be equals to Q over delta T. So we are going to calculate this product to see whether which liquid would have a larger heat capacity. So we would calculate the product of Q delta T. So for Q delta T, Q over delta T, I mean, for liquid X, Q over delta T is 24,000 divided by 20, so we got 1200 here. And for liquid Y, the same calculation gives us 720. So as we can see, this one has a larger Q over T. Larger Q over T means larger heat capacity. So it is correct to say that heat capacity of X is larger than that of Y. Okay, second statement. We talk about the specific heat capacity, small c. So when talking about specific heat capacity, we will start with this equation, and let's make specific heat capacity the subject. So now I would like to calculate the product of Q over M delta T in order to decide which one has a larger specific heat capacity. If this product is larger, then the specific heat capacity will be larger. So we are going to calculate the product of Q over M delta T. So for the first one, liquid X, Q over M delta T would give us 4,000. And similar calculation using the data for liquid Y would give us 3,600. So this product for liquid X is larger. For the larger product, there will be larger specific heat capacity. So it's okay, it's correct to say that specific heat capacity of X is larger than specific heat capacity of Y. Lastly, statement 3. The heat capacity of X determined remains the same if the experiment is repeating by doubling the mass of X. So as we know that big C is equals to mass times small c. Heat capacity is equals to mass times specific heat capacity. In that case, same material X, small c will be the same. However, now we are doubling the amount of M. So this one will no longer stay the same. The heat capacity will change. So Cx will change. So it's not okay to say the heat capacity of X remains the same. Okay, this is wrong. Therefore, the answer is 1 and 2.